Hello, Leslie here with my teacher planner unboxing. I chose the Happy Planner Teacher Planner box set that you see here. I did choose a big this year, which is a big change for me. And then it came with a few goodies as well, but I want to show you guys first what it looked like in the box before I dive in on everything. So I'm not pleased with how this is like bunched in here, but that's how it was packaged. I'm going to go ahead and move this to the side so it's not so reflective. Move that over. Okay, so the stickers that it comes with are stuck in here. I'm gonna pull those off, I guess. There. So it's all wrinkled. And then there's washi tape stuck in this one. So true unboxing, you guys. And then that's taped in there. We'll just slide that out. There you go. And then I'll show you that one. So let's go ahead and free the stickers. There you go. Okay, so they could do better on their packaging of these because it's all sorts of wrinkled, crinkled. A lot of these are very faint, so I'm not sure how well they're going to show up on camera. But this one has a flower and it says live a happy life. And it says the purpose of life is to live a life of purpose. There you go. That was a tongue twister. And then it has a flower with another quote that says say hello to happy. It's okay to not do it all. And then this one is very faint. See beauty in everything, and then root for each other and watch each other grow. Flower, you got this. Another flower that says good things will happen, and then a big bloom sticker. And then these ones are just flowers in that really like, you can probably see the bold ones. So it's those, but in like a really light pink. But I did not get it for the stickers. And then the washi tape here is just like their normal washi tape, I think. No, it feels more plasticky, but not super plasticky. But it is light pink with some white flowers on it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that real well, but I hope so. There you go. So I like it. It's simple. It's a skinnier washi. I wouldn't say the skinniest washi I've ever seen, but those were good. I want to call them like freebies, but they were just part of the box set. So the next thing that's part of the box set, stuck to a piece of cardboard, is this little divider tab bookmark. That's what they call it. It says good things will happen. You can see where it's like stuck down to the cardboard. So I'm not going to pull it off the cardboard. It's all light pink, and then it has basically a gold colored flower. I'm not going to say rose. I'm not sure. But there you go. So you can use that to bookmark your page. This is very big to me because before in my classic teacher happy planner, they would give you one, but it was like that width, like maybe 1 or 2 inches. So very different for me. Okay, so that's the box kit extras. And then here's the actual planner. So my cover says teachers help us grow. And then my discs are gold, but they're plastic. They're not metal. Okay. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So this matches the washi tape, except for the washi tape has white flowers on it, but the color right there is really similar. Okay. And then you always get this, a little note, and it has an example of like a teacher layout. I'm going to go ahead and get my scissors and cut this off. There's like a little plastic thing. That's how you know that someone hasn't bought it and returned it, I guess. If that's still on there, odds are you're the first one. Pull that out. And then it has like their social media links, etc. All right, so then our first page, we have hello, this happy planner teacher edition belongs to. Then you can put your room number, the school that you work at, the address of the school if you want. And then it has teach a happy life and then the school year dates. I love the leaves. That's gorgeous. All right, so we have an academic calendar. Sometimes I've always wanted to do this. I want to take like my highlighter pens, and then we have like a school calendar that has like colors and shapes that are the symbols for each day. And I thought it would be fun to copy that in here, but I always forget to do it. Then there's school schedule as far as school starts, and it has recess, lunch, recess, and school ends. I'm not an elementary teacher, so that part doesn't apply to me. Recess does not apply to me. Now, I do have a different lunchtime. There's supposed to be 4 lunches. We'll see what they're doing this year. And then it says reliable students and then reliable teachers. I thought that was cute. So it's definitely a substitute page. Yeah, it says reference notes for the substitute, helpful tips, additional notes. I go ahead and type up a sub note for every day that I'm gone, or a sub email that I can email to the office and they print out. Because I teach semester classes, this definitely changes a lot for me as far as like what students I even have. So yeah, so I wouldn't use that page probably. If you do, I suggest laminating it so that you can change it. All right, and then this is kind of the calendar in list form if you want to do that ahead of time. I find this handy for when you're in staff meetings and they tell you such and such is going to be on whatever date. So you're not having to like flip to that month. You can go ahead and just write it in on like, okay, this is going to happen September 8th, or December 8th, but right now they're telling us about it in August. So it'd be nice to put it in here. I think that would be a good idea. Or if you want to put birthdays in here, that's a good one too. So there's the rest of the year. And then you have your August page. Oh, good. I was hoping this would be more plain. The one I had this year was like birthdays, and then it was like what I'm eating or places I'm going and stuff. And I was like, what is happening? So there's the focus on, which is good. August is always my focus, is to learn their names. And then over here, you do have birthdays, holidays, and dates to remember. So that's kind of assorted. And then you have this whole section for notes, which I love because if you're a teacher, you have staff meetings at least once a month. And I have meetings once a week with my coworkers in like a small group form. So I will definitely be utilizing this page. All right, so let's jump to the first divider dashboard tab. For August, it said teachers plant the seeds of knowledge that last a lifetime. And then it's gold foiled, which is beautiful. All right, and then we'll jump into what the monthly spread looks like. This looks so big to me. So I like to put things ahead of time in this spread right here, whether it's days off from school or events that I know about for school. I like to put them on this page. And then there is a this month section, grid dot. And then it has International Left-Handers Day. That's kind of a silly one out of all of these, I think. My cousin's left-handed, and so is my son. So you have the first week of August here. That's what the weekly layout looks like. These boxes are significantly larger than the classic. I'm hoping that allows me to actually write more details of my lesson plan, because before it was like I could write what notes I was doing and then what the activity kind of was. That's all I really had room for. When it's like there's other things that I'm doing, like we're playing Minty or we're playing Kahoot, or we had a fire drill in the middle of class, something like that. But I write the classes up here. One of the reasons I like the Happy Planner is because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't tell you how many times I go to find a teacher planner and there's only 5 subject boxes. We teach an 8-block schedule. So I don't teach 8 classes every day. I teach 4, and then one of those blocks is my conference block. So I usually make this column my conference block no matter what time of day it is. And then I go ahead and write these in numerical order. But I don't know, maybe I've done teacher plan with me before. So if you want to check that out, there's a teacher plan with me playlist that you can look at. I'm not going to flip through every spread. Let's go to September. Okay, so this one is blank and is room for decoration. So that's exciting. I get to decorate September. It looked like lined paper, so it's very back to schooly. I feel like on this one. And then they do put some dates down here for you. I don't think I noted that in the last one. And then monthly is pretty much the same. There is Positive Thinking Day. That's a bonus one. Johnny Appleseed Day, National Family Day. I'm thinking of ones that aren't in like the regular Happy Planner that they put in the teacher one. All right, here is October. It's a very dark, it's an olive green. I was about to say yellow, but I think it's an olive green, like a light olive green. Yeah, light olive green. I'm going with that. All right, it says Teach, Love, Grow, and then it has the flowers that are in the kit, and it's all gold foiled again. And then they put October 11th, Indigenous Peoples Day, and then they put October 31st, Halloween. So does that mean they don't have Columbus Day in here? All right. Then we have World Mental Health Day, Statue of Liberty's birthday, National Cat Day. So there you go. My cat has her own day. All right, let's look at November. So November has big florals. So I would put a quote sticker here, either from a Happy Planner sticker book, or I'd make my own on my vinyl, like using vinyls. So I might do that. All right, and then it looks like we'll just go into the November spread. We have World Kindness Day. That's kind of a bonus one. America Recycles Day. So if you're Canadian, I'm sorry, that's in there for you. I feel like you guys have to put up with all of our holidays in here. And then they don't put Canada Day. We just talked about it. All right, here's December. Love this class. Oh, that's kind of nice because I have to say goodbye to some of my classes in December because I told you I teach semester classes. And so we have finals week. And if they're not my year-long class, then yeah, I'm saying goodbye to some. So I think that's nice. I like that. Nothing's foiled, just solid, but I like the black floral. That's pretty. Here's the monthly spread. So bonus ones that I'm seeing is Human Rights Day, Wright Brothers Day, Bill of Rights Day, Pearl Harbor, that should be in there. And then International Volunteer Day, which is on a Sunday. I always think of like volunteering at school, which I usually try to do at my son's school. All right, January. The purpose of life is to live a life of purpose. That was the tongue twister I was getting mixed up on the sticker with. I like the whiteout. It's like blackout planning or whatever. I think that's what it looks like. It's not foiled. It's just written on there in that peach color and then with the white floral. Goodness sakes. All right, and then this page, National Handwriting Day. National Sticker Day is January 13th. That always sneaks up on me so fast. So fast. All right, there's a weekly page for you. I do like the dates. I might color those in or like use a highlighter and like go over it like dramatically. Ooh, that would be fun. I like the space here. I'm going to notate that because if I have a staff meeting, it's not usually during my conference block or during any of my classes, so I would notate it over here. Or if there's a special staff luncheon or something that I have to go to, I would put that there. All right, and then we have this page, February. I really like the style of this. The blocks, the lines, and then the big floral, and then the bloom with grace. That one's pretty. I am tempted to color these in. I really am. I'm tempted. All right, we have Abraham Lincoln's birthday. Laura Ingalls Wilder's birthday. I think that's been in them before. Susan B. Anthony's birthday. George Washington's birthday. That should be in every calendar. Random Acts of Kindness Day. I'm just highlighting the ones that wouldn't be in a normal planner. All right, March says don't get so caught up in the daily grind that you never find any time to enjoy teaching. That is so true. You get caught up in meetings and paperwork, and March is a perfect time to think about that because that's usually when we're doing quarter grades, and it just seems all about grades and paperwork and emails at that point. And you're trying to make it to the end of the school year because by March, we have March, April, and then we get done the end of May. So definitely feels that way. All right. International Women's Day, Harriet Tubman Day, National Puppy Day. They had to put that in there because they put the cat one, right? It's only fair. International Day of Happiness. Those are fun. Oh, daylight savings. That is going to be horrendous for our new schedule. I'll tell you that right now. All right, so it says teach from the heart. And then it's that. Okay, so this really matches. Does that really match? No, this is a lighter pink. No, it's this one. I don't know. Does that fully match it? Kind of. It's just this flower on here. It really is. All right, April. Let's see. I don't see any extra fun ones on here. That would be different than any other planner. And then the May divider is just gold dot. So once again, I would probably put a quote or go ahead and cut something out in my gold foil cardstock and put that on here, something, add some stickers. Yeah, I'm probably going to decorate that page. And then we have our May month at a glance, monthly National Teacher Appreciation Day. I think that's in every planner, actually. It's always here, and then I have Cinco de Mayo, and then I have Mother's Day. Sometimes Cinco de Mayo and National Teachers Appreciation Day land on the same day, because I think National Teacher Appreciation Day is the first Tuesday of May. I think that's the designation. So that's always a busy time for me. So we should be out. I don't know exactly if they've said an announcement of the last day of school. This year, I think it was the 27th. It should be around the 20th, I would think, but we'll see. All right, so there is June. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you, but I don't use June. I don't teach summer school. It says enjoy the journey, and it has the plants. And then here we have, I don't see any fun days that you wouldn't normally see. D-Day anniversary. Maybe that one's not in every planner. Flag Day, Summer Begins, Pride Day, Father's Day, and Juneteenth are all in here. And then July. Ooh, July, that is teeny tiny. Can you guys even read that? It says, find your happy. That's all it says. Find it right there. Gotta find it right there. All right, let's jump to checklist, shall we? Okay, so they always have a little notes page at the end, which I really like this one. That one's fun with the floral at the bottom. It's kind of a gray. It's not like a solid black. It's like gray colored. That would be good for notes for staff meeting or for next year. And then it says, live simply, love generously, learn constantly. Nothing's foiled on that page. All right, so checklist. This is kind of a classroom checklist, or if you want to use it as a grade book, you can. At my school, we have a lot of kids that flow in and out. So it's really hard to like write everybody down in alphabetical level and for me to utilize these pages. So I don't use these pages. I usually rip them out to make my planner a little bit lighter. But I do know that people will, if you have the same class and you want to go to the next page, you can fold this over so you don't have to rewrite all their names and then it applies to that page. So that's one way of using that I know that elementary teachers use, because most of the time they have a smaller class size than I do, at least in our district. Okay, and then there's the back page. So it's the inside of the planner. It says Plan a Happy Life on that very back page. And then the back of the planner just has those florals without like a title. The packaging has like left a white residue on there. And then it has their Happy Planner logo. So that is my teacher planner for the 2021-2022 school year. It will be here before we know it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.